Do you want to know how to change your name in Snapchat? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your name in Snapchat. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you do that, go ahead and sign in into your Snapchat account. Now navigate your way to your Bitmoji on the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on Settings from the top right corner of your screen. Now, under the My Account category, the first option you'll see is Name. Tap on it. There, you can go ahead and change your name as you like. Then tap on Save from your screen. Then you'll successfully change your name in Snapchat. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.